What's up, YouTube? It's Quan here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 or more by buying and reselling phones on eBay. So check this out. This is the method I've been doing for a very long time, like since I was fresh out of high school. So I'm very knowledgeable. So pretty much what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be using your resources around you to try and find deals on phones. iPhones, Galaxies, primarily, anything that's gonna sell. But right now we're gonna stick with phones. So what you wanna do is you want to check your local Craigslist, your Facebook Marketplace, or your OfferUp. And I'll give you guys more ways to buy phones later on, but for now, we're going to keep it simple. So I'm going to pretty much take y'all through the steps of, from when I get the phone to when I meet the person, to when I sell it and put it on eBay. And I'll show you the listing so you can kind of get an idea of, how to make the listing. And then I'll show you when it sells. And I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it is. I'm guaranteed I'm gonna make $100 right now for this video. Y'all What's up, guys? All right, so I just got off and I'm on my way to meet the guy with the iPhone that I'm gonna buy. So iPhone X is cracked. I'm going to pick it up for $300. So I'm gonna stop to the ATM and then I'm gonna go meet the guy and I'll show you the phone once I get it. Then I'll show you the process I do. I'll look it up and I'll show you what it sells for. I'll actually do the listing. I'll show you my personal listing so you can get an idea of how to list them. And then when it sells, we'll see how much profit I make. All right, guys. All right, so I just left the ATM, picked up the cash. So I picked up $300 for the iPhone X I'm about to buy, and I picked up an extra $120 for iPhone 7 I'm about to buy. Both of these phones are cracked, so I'm actually gonna list them on eBay as is. You can make a lot of money buying cracked phones because one, the seller doesn't think it's valued because it's cracked, so of course they're gonna sell it for a cheaper price. But guys on eBay pay top dollar for cracked phones. As long as there's no iCloud account on it and everything works good, you should be fine. So gonna meet this guy real quick at the mall, and once I get the phones, I'll get back with you guys to show you what I got. All right, guys, Quan back here. So I just got the iPhones that I told you about. All right, so here's the iPhone X that I brought. It's cracked, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. The back is cracked on it, but everything else is fine with it. I did all my checks on it. So I'm gonna get this real cleaned up nicely, and then we'll list it and we'll post it and see what kind of money we can make. Also on the way, I got this iPhone 7 I just brought. It's unlocked, 32 gigabyte. Now, one lesson you want to learn here is I brought this phone right here and it happened to be dead. So luckily I have a charger. So the guy's actually in the other car waiting for me to charge it up to make sure everything works with it before I give him my money. So definitely when you go to buy an iPhone, you're meeting people you don't know. You don't trust these people. I mean, it just is what it is. But people will sell you dead phones, and it's just bad for business. For one, like, you can't check it. You don't know if the camera works. You don't know if the voice works. You don't know if it's locked. You don't know if it's stolen. So be wary of buying phones that are dead. So like I said, keep your charger in the car so you can actually check it out. But this phone is actually in very good condition other than the crack. So I paid $120 for this one. I'm gonna sell it as is on eBay. I seen them getting close to about 200 bucks. So I got the potential to make about $50 on this phone. And like I said, very easy. I met the guy right after work. This guy right here, actually, I texted him about this phone earlier in the week. He was trying to get $300 for a cracked 32 gigabyte unlock. So I messaged him and I offered him $100, and he said no, he wanted to do like $240. So we went back and forth all week, and here it is Saturday, and he messaged me this morning and said, all right, man, $120, I'll take it. So the lesson here is to be patient. You don't feel like you have to, get every phone. Don't force your hand, because they're gonna come back. If if they need the cash, they're gonna come back. And not many people are gonna buy this cracked phone, so he didn't have much of a market to sell it to. So he came back and he took my offer. So now I'm able to make 50 bucks on this phone. This iPhone right here, I believe they were going for around $450. Some went a little higher, so I paid $300 for it. So I'll probably make around 90 to 100 bucks on this deal. But as you guys see, like I said, I just got out of work at 12 o'clock. It's 12:47. I did have to stop to the ATM. I've met 2 people in 40 minutes since I've been off work, and potentially already made $150 off of buying iPhones. So like I said, man, this is something very easy you could do. You know, I found this one while I was at work, you know, just skimming through the Facebook Marketplace, and I sent them a message, let them know I got off at 12, and he accepted my offer. So easy, you know, I just got off of work, and I made, you know, I worked 3 hours today because it's Saturday, we closed early, but I made pretty much almost 2 days worth of pay if I worked the full day in less than an hour. So like I said, this is very easy, guys. Like, you know, I'm really excited to share my tips and tricks with you guys. So I'm gonna head to the house. I'm gonna get both phones cleaned up. I'm gonna get both phones listed. I'll show you my listing for the phones, and then we'll go ahead and, you know, after they sell, I'll let you know what I got for them, and I'll show you the profit margins. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so Quan back again. I'm at the gym right now. I got both the phones cleaned up. I got them both listed on eBay already. I actually already started to get offers, but I'm gonna wait for the right one. So, like I said, I'm at the gym, man. This is what I'm doing, and my money's making itself right now. So that's the cool thing about, you know, the flipping things on the side, man. You can kind of do what you want and not have to worry about your money because it's making itself. So I'm gonna play a little ball with my homeboys, and I'll let y'all know when they sell. I'm gonna let y'all know the profit margin. All right, guys, so I'm back, and both phones sold just like I knew they would. The iPhone X actually sold in like an hour of me posting it, and the iPhone 7 sold overnight. I woke up in the morning and I had a good offer, so I took it. So pretty much, I'm gonna show you guys both phones and both listings just to let you guys see how easy it was. Like I said, in 24 hours, I brought and sold these phones in the same day. So watch this. Let me turn my camera back around so I can. All right, so as you can see here, I have the iPhone X and the iPhone 7. Let's click on the iPhone X so I can show you. Got $475 for it, and I paid $300. So after fees from eBay and PayPal, I'll make about $110. Here's my listing if you want to see that. Pause the video if you want to read it to see how I list things, because I'm gonna keep it going just to keep this video nice and fast. But boom, that's the iPhone X. There's the pictures. Like I said, back was cracked. And then I'll show you the iPhone 7, which also sold. I paid $120 for this one, and I ended up getting $180. I was trying to get $200, but this seemed to be the strongest offer that came along, so I accepted it. After eBay and PayPal fees, I make about $40 on this one. So not bad, you guys. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. There's my listing for that one. So like you see, man, I made $150 in less than a day just buying and reselling, you know, 2 broke phones on eBay. So as you have it, and just to let you guys know, this isn't a joke. You can see everything I've sold, which is mostly phones. I've sold a few iPads, iPad, MacBook, and I'll show you. That's my last 60-day total right there. So you can see, you know, I've sold 15 items for a gross of $9,000, almost $10,000, guys. And this is with me, you know, going pretty easy. I haven't really been, you know, selling as hard as I could on eBay because, you know, I got local buyers as well. I'll show you how to deal with local buyers, and, you know, when you should sell on eBay and when you should deal with your local buyer. But like I said, guys, easy $150 that I made in less than 24 hours. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. I got a lot more coming for you guys. I'm gonna do a couple phone hauls. I'm gonna show you, you know, how to invest in things and how to make this money, man. Because if you like me, you don't want to spend your whole life working for somebody. It's not fun. You mean you're working for pennies on a dollar. Even if you're making more, I make way more than minimum wage, and I still make more on the side doing my phones and, you know, flipping things. So if you want to learn how to make that money, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna show you how to make that money. Let's get it.